Designation of a refrigeration system. The refrigerant are internationally designated as R, followed by a certain number such as R11, R12 and R114, etc. The number assigned to every hydrocarbon and halocarbons refrigerant have special meaning. The first digit on the right is the number of fluorine atom in the refrigerant. The second digit from the right is one more than the number of hydrogen atom, and the third digit from the right is one less than the number of carbon atom. But when this digit is 0, it is omitted. Therefore, the general chemical formula for refrigerant either for ethane or methane base is given as CmHn Clp Fq, in which N plus P plus Q is equal to 2m plus 2, where m is the number of carbon atoms, n number of hydrogen atoms, p are the number of chlorine atoms, and q are the number of fluorine atoms. And number of refrigerant is given by r in bracket m minus 1 in bracket n plus 1 in bracket q, which designate the refrigerant number. Now, how to designate the dichlorotetrafluoroethane C2Cl2F4? We see that the number of fluorine atoms Q is equal to 4 and the number of chlorine atoms P is equal to 2. Number of hydrogen atoms is 0. Therefore, N plus P plus Q is equal to 2m plus 2. Therefore, m is equal to 2 are the number of carbon atoms. Therefore, designation of refrigerant or the number of refrigerant is given by R 2 minus 1 in bracket 0 plus 1 in bracket 4. Therefore, R 114. Therefore, C2Cl2F4 dichlorotetrafluoroethane is designated as R114. Now, designation of difluoromethane CCl2F2. Here we see that the number of fluorine atoms Q is equal to 2, chlorine atoms P is equal to 2, hydrogen atoms N is equal to 0. Therefore, by putting this value, we get M is equal to 1. Therefore, the designation of CCl2F2 is equal to R012. Therefore, R12. Designation of difluoromethane CCl2F2 is R12. Similarly, how to find chemical formula for F12? Here we see the number is 2 digit. Therefore, it is derived from the methane base. Last number represents the number of fluorine atoms, that is equal to 2. The second digit from last represent the number of hydrogen atom, that is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. To balance the methane, 4 monoatoms are required. Therefore, number of chloride atoms will be 4 minus 2. Therefore, 2 be the chlorine atoms is equal to 2. Therefore, the chemical formula for F12 is equal to CCl2F2. Similarly, find the chemical formula for 114, F114. We see that as the number is 3 digit, it is derived from the ethane base. Last number represent the fluorine atom, that is equal to 4. Second digit from the last represent the number of hydrogen atom, that is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. To balance the ethane, 6 monoatoms are required. Therefore, the number of chlorine atoms will be 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. Therefore, the chemical formula for F114 is then C2Cl2F4. Thank you. This is all about designation of refrigerant.